1 cup of plain yogurt. Then add 1 cup of chocolate flavoured milk. Then put in 6 mint slice biscuits. They look like this. When you break them in half, there's mint in the middle. Packet looks like this. So this or something similar. And put in half a dozen. Then add half a teaspoon of peppermint essence. And the final ingredient, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Blend this on high for 60 seconds, or if you've got a blend deck, press 2. And just garnish with some lovely mint leaves.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.